Hello from Honolulu. Here we are at the Andiamo. I'll give you a quick boat tour as we're getting ready to set sail. There she is. We've been working real hard getting ready to go. You can see Dave has been checking the PFDs. Tell him about what you're doing, Dave.
I'm just making sure that the bladders don't have any perforations in them. They were checked before the last passage, and so I'm just going over them again, and also making sure that the CO2 cartridges are fully charged.
Nice.
Which they are. So this one's good to go. And I just get deflated. It's not the fun part.
I've been checking the med kit over here. This is about the biggest med kit I've ever taken on an expedition. Got bleeding, medications. There's a whole section dedicated to airway and burns. Some fancy tools in here, including a stethoscope, a blood pressure cuff, and even a pulse oximeter. So we're going to have lots of tools at the ready if needed.
We can put our woofer knowledge to work.
Yeah.
Hopefully not.
So here's a little view of the cockpit.
So that's the
And I'll take you inside. All right. What do we got in here?
We have a 100 horsepower Yanmar. Then here I'll take the line. Then we have Captain Paul. And then underneath me on my
Is that
foot
where he
is
sleeps?
the gen set. Yeah, this is he checks that the engine is running well. Back here is the fuel filters. All sorts of fun stuff.
Nice. But y'all weren't expecting a tour of the inside of the boat, but there it is. And here's our little pilot house. Nav station. Got another nav station down there.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so the one that was really missing was the one that Ross was fussing with.
We have a bookshelf in the corner. There's a bunk for Tess and Dave. Hi, Paul.
Hello.
And I'll let you check out the galley. It's pretty sweet. Here we've got tons of eggs for our passage. And lots and lots of meals in our freezer.
All right.
You're going to hear all about the meals that we've cooked. They're all the way at the bottom in there. So check it out for more videos coming soon.
That's a good plan.
Got a master suite bed and some bunk beds over here. Simon gets to bunk with all of the produce, so he's keeping it safe for us. And the bananas, of course. How-
Hey,
How's life, Simon?
excellent.
Pretty good being on a boat. I'll take you up to the bow. Our sail is furled up right now, and a lot of this stuff is automatic winches, real awesome. Here's the bow of our boat, and the view that I had this morning. I woke up pretty early and just sketched a little bit of this view, so maybe we can post that and you can check out that sketch as well. we'll do one more live stream as we're heading out here away from Waikiki. And as long as we have service, you can be with us for a little bit. And then we'll see you on the other side.